siya. May kasama.
Galit eh.
Hindi nagtataka sa aking nadarama.
Guloy ka, animal ka.
Parang.
Nang nakita ka, kumusta ang aking ite.
Ay! Ito nga!
Di ba?
Wait, huwag pa ka na. Huwag yan, huwag yan.
Gabuwag.
Ito yung nakita ko. Ito na. Wait lang. Wow! Uy! Ito siya guys. Kita mo yan.
Gapin mo yan.
Ayan. Kita mo yung mukha. Para sila ng mukha. Kala ko kasi ito ay yung ano dito.
Hindi nagtataka.
Pinsang, guli-guli
Ano
pinsang.
ano?
Nararo ako.
Pagkamay lang.
Oh my gosh, may lalaki. May lalaki babae. Siya, oh. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda.
Run!
Ay, sumipis. Hanapin ko muna yung 10. Hanapin ko yung 10. Nala. Si Papa Jesus.
Pinoy! 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 Pinoy!
No! Pani, tinapos mo. Gamot. Hindi ako masok. Nagkatin ako.
This titan has a huge body but a very tiny mouth, so he struggles
Parang
to put food
ito
down.
yun.
He becomes really sad because he hasn't eaten since the era of the
Ala
Iron
nga,
Age.
nga,
While he's
nga.
walking, a woman offers him some food. Without hesitation, he immediately tries to take it. He grabs a piece of chicken. Did you spot those mistakes in Bluey? Number 1. In the episode, Magic Xylophone and its accessories fly onto the ground. However, a few frames later, they're suddenly gone. Number 2. In the episode Barbecue, when we pause